Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to actually enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Then let's scroll down and localize backup and restore. And let's scroll to find this Google backup section. So let's tap on backup and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And right here we've got another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got the backup details, so you can always check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you won't be charged for accessing the limit of your mobile data. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and right now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.